Okay, this is going to be a quick showing how to install Zpanel on your server. To do it, you must have a clean system installed. If you're using a VPS, pick a minimal template, or if you're installing it yourself, pick the base level packages only, nothing else. Do not install any PHP, Apache, SQL or Postfix, nothing else installed, just a clean minimal installed operating system. Okay, so let's log into our server. Open up your connection to your server. Since I've never connected my server yet via my desktop, I'm going to set my SSH key. It's a little bit slow at times, but it'll come up in a second. Okay, that's okay. Enter my password. Okay, normally you can run it via the bash script on the page it tells you, but I prefer to do a wget to get the script and then install it in case it does not load the first time. But to make sure you got wget installed, you just type in yum install -y for yes, wget, enter. And it will install my wget client. Sometimes you'll have it, sometimes you won't have it, but this is a mixture. Okay, and let's copy the command I need, which is wget. I'll post it anyway. That's wget. That's the https war.github.com/cpanel/installer/master/install/CentOS 6, so on. Okay, once it's been downloaded, type in bash 10, push tab and hit enter. Say yes to continue. If you're going to do a quick check to make sure there's nothing else installed in the background, like in our control panels, in our servers like Apache, SQL, so on. So pick your time zone. Since I'm in South Australia, so I pick 7 for Australia, 10 for South Australia. That's correct, so I push 1 for yes. My fully qualified domain name for the control panel will be cp.my domain name. Push enter, that's my IP address, push enter, and I'm happy to install. It will now take care of 90% of the back end work automatically for you. It will download the packages, install them, check them, and also it will download the latest generation of the Zpanel from the GitHub website. Once downloaded, it will continue on with the packages, downloading and installing. There is approximately 160 megabytes, give or take, of packages we download. If you're on a slow link, it will take a few minutes to download them. But normally it will take around about, from start to finish, about 10 minutes at most. Now after we've installed the packages, of course we'll do a reboot on our server to make sure everything is upright and running properly. Oops, there's my screensaver. Okay, now we set up the SQL database server. It will give you a password after the end of the installation script. The passwords for the SQL, Zpanel and the postfix administrator account are automatically generated, and each one's randomly picked, so they're never the same. Also, we will automatically import the Zpanel configuration files, the webmail configuration files, and anything else we need to import will be done automatically for us in the background. Just restarting services, which is normal. Zpanel's a little bit slow on my VPS install. That's not the script itself is slow, just my VPS hosting provider is a bit slow at times, that's all. If you're doing this locally, I can get it done and dusted within about 8 minutes flat. So it just depends on who you're hosting with and how fast they are and how much workload's on the VPS servers will determine how slow or how fast anything is. Just checking for the latest release, make sure she's up to date. And just restarting all the services again, make sure all upright and running now, no problems. And there you are, we are now installed. Just reboot the server, give that a minute or two to come back up, and we can now almost get ready to access the control panel. Because we have not, because I host my own DNS service on my network, there is no, well, DNS name available yet. So let's put in the IP address and see what comes up. And of course, I remember of the password, and I copy it to memory. Log in as Zpanel as your password. So it gives you the SQL root user password, the postfix password, and your Zpanel account password. So Zpanel X password, which is just Z admin for the login and name. Okay.